Good evening! So we are back from Ultrace. The Volvo is almost in one piece. I've only had my back bumper clipped twice. So honestly, on Ultrace, on an event with such a track, with such hard walls, especially since that was my first time on Ultrace, first time driving on that track, I would call that a success. So in this video, first I'm going to show you the car, then I'm going to show you some drifting footage from Ultrace, and then I will show you the whole process of building my body kit. You can tell me in the comments, what do you think about the body kit? I've had a lot of mixed opinions from people on different forums, on Instagram comments, and even people in real life on Ultrace coming up. Some people were saying they absolutely love it and I shouldn't change a thing. Some people were saying that it's completely awful. So tell me in the comments what you think about it. And yeah, enjoy the video. This should be here, and same thing on this side. This part should be here. So I've measured it already. It needs to be 11 centimeters wider, and then you can tell that it's too short as well. So I got it measured, put in place so it doesn't move, and yeah, now I'm gonna just clean a bit the surface and start with putting the fiberglass on and then try to glue it. I've never done this before, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Shit. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so when I started doing it, kind of panicked because I messed it up, tried to fix it. It's got some structure. Now I can fill it all up, put some more fiberglass in here and completely cover it, and we should be good. One issue I had in mind, which was the main cause why I couldn't just put the 850 bumper on my car without modifying it, is I have those side skirts, right? And like those side skirts and this bumper, they are from the same kit. They go out to the outside of the car. The 850 front bumper, oh fuck, I almost crushed the rear bumper by falling on it. So the 850 bumper actually does have a nice lip like this, but on the side it doesn't go out at all. It actually goes down to the inside of the car, which doesn't look good. So I actually So I actually got those cut out. They are the same thing as the side skirts. I have this, and I will try to mold this part into the bumper and somehow make it smoothly transition into this shape, so the end of this bumper fits the side skirt. So this should fit nicely once it's finished. I don't know how I will do it. I'll have to cut it up a lot. Basically, I'll have to cut this completely off, I guess, and this, and try to mold it and put a shit ton of Bondo on it. I can visualize it in my mind, but doing it actually on the parts is a whole other fucking game. Okay, so the front bumper is mocked up. Now I just have to put fiberglass and mold it into the bumper on both sides. And yeah, it helps visually to make it transition into the side skirt. So yeah, I'm gonna spend the night molding it into it. So it's Tuesday evening. The car needs to be... I'm not gonna talk to the fucking camera outside. I am way too shy for that. I'm gonna go inside. The car needs to be on Ultrace in 3 days. It's Tuesday evening. All the cars have to be there on Friday, and yeah, I guess we're gonna make it. Right now I'm lowering the car. The rear is almost as low as it can go. I just got rid of the preload. Yeah, basically driving with -4 centimeters of preload. Now I gotta do the same thing in the front. The front is already with no preload on the spring, but yeah, it's Ultrace. The car needs to be low and it'll drive bad, but yeah, that's what you gotta do. So basically what's left, so the bumpers and the side skirts are being painted right now as we speak. They will be ready tomorrow afternoon. I already have a central jacking point made for when the bumper is lower, so I can still jack up the car. The exhaust is already modified. Normally it came out here, and now with the Bodykit there's an opening here. I guess there's not much left to do on the car. I already washed. I had to scrub off the tire marks from Max, but it came out really nicely. That's how bad I am. I replaced every single bulb from the indicators to the same color because they were mismatched. They all were not the same shade of orange, so I replaced every single one so they match. I painted the rear bumper bar because it's impossible to find the piece, the plastic piece that comes on here. The rear bumper has the same thing as the front bumper, where you put this piece over it and it hides it very nicely. But buying a uncracked piece for the rear is basically impossible. So I just painted the bar black, so it blends in with the plastic from the bumper. It should look better than the silver sticking out from between the white and the black.
The next day.
So I just picked up the whole body kit from paint. My friend painted it, and he already did the upper bar in black, and like the sides came out pretty good. We will see how it looks once the side skirts are on it as well. But yeah, looks promising. Bodykit is on the car. I don't know how I feel about it anymore. It's been so long and so much work that I've been looking at it that I don't know if I like it anymore. But my friends say it's nice, so I trust them. Let me tell you some things I already don't like about it. So first thing, I've made the rear bumper a bit too short. It should have been like right here, so it's closer to the wheel, but yeah, I will not be able to change it now. The exhaust doesn't stick out enough, but again, that's a lot of work and I will not be doing this now. This should go in more. I don't know how I could do it so it just tucks in more, but yeah, the exhaust doesn't touch the bumper at all, so that's nice, because we've been doing the exhaust without the bumper. Scraped again, but I guess the bumper is still on. Something's rubbing. Fuck, I think it's off already. Or is it just the rear tires rubbing? Let's go out and take a look. Nah, it's all good. I mean, it is destroyed already, but so of course I picked the worst fucking spot to drive to. Ah shit. So yeah, that's already destroyed. Okay, so after the test drive, both the wheels are rubbing in the rear, but yeah, the car looks good. Like, it's missing a roof wing, but I have no time to do that. But you know, that's the first version of this body kit. Now I know what I need to fix, but there's no time to fix it now. So yeah, that would be it for the video. Tomorrow I'm packing the car for Ultrace. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, it's growing on me. When I first put it on the car, yeah, I didn't really like it, but it's growing on me now. Thank you for watching and see you in a few days. Bye.